Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei watch to an iPhone. First, ensure both devices are fully charged. This is crucial for a smooth setup. Keep your iPhone and Huawei watch close, within about 1 foot of each other, to maintain a strong signal. Also, verify that Bluetooth is already turned on in your iPhone settings menu. Having these preparations done will make the entire process much easier for you. Next, you need the official Huawei Health application. Open the App Store on your iPhone and type Huawei Health into the search bar. Look for the application with the distinctive Huawei logo and ensure it is published by Huawei Technologies Co. Limited. Once you confirm it is the correct app, tap the Get button and follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it onto your device. This app is essential for managing your watch. With the app installed, open Huawei Health and navigate to the Devices tab, then tap Add Device. The app will begin scanning for available Huawei watches nearby. Select your specific Huawei watch model from the list that appears, then verify the pairing request that pops up on both your watch and your iPhone screen. You should see a 6-digit code to match them up. This step usually takes less than 1 minute to complete successfully. After pairing, the Huawei Health app will guide you through the initial setup process. Grant any necessary permissions, such as access to health data, notifications, and location services, to ensure full functionality. If your watch experiences any connection issues, try restarting both your iPhone and your Huawei watch. You can also recheck your iPhone's Bluetooth settings to make sure everything is correctly enabled. Taking these steps often resolves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.